Welcome to this towing video. We will look at the best Proterra-approved method for towing your Catalyst all-electric bus. Be sure to follow this towing method to protect your bus and its warranty. First, let's prepare the inside of the bus for towing. Maximize ride height by pressing and holding the ride height button. Then turn off the main switch at the driver's workplace. Next, move to the rear of the bus to access the rear deck circuit breaker box. Find and remove breaker CB423 using the extraction tool. This disables the electronically controlled ride height system. Be sure to store the circuit breaker in a secure place inside the bus for reinstallation after towing. Now let's prepare the outside of the bus for towing. If necessary, have the tow truck driver manually air each of the 4 corners using the Schrader valves. These are located behind the street side rear access panel. Use the front glad hands at the curb side of the bus behind the front bumper to connect the tow truck to the bus air system. If no air is available or if there is a major leak on the bus, you will need to cage the rear brakes. To cage the rear brakes, remove the brake caging bolt access plug. Depending on the seat configuration, you may have to remove both rear seats on the wheel wells. Use a ratchet with an extension and turn the brake caging bolt to disengage the rear brake. Be sure to repeat on both sides. Now we're ready to connect the bus to the tow truck. If the bus needs extraction, it's always preferable to tow from the front if possible. You may need to reconfigure the stinger for attachment to the front tow pockets. Proterra recommends a 2-inch wide fork in the tow pocket. Lift the stinger arms into position in the pockets. If you have any questions about the correct size fork or configuration, please contact Proterra customer service. With the bus secured by the tow truck, remove the half shaft on the non-traffic side of the vehicle. The bus can be towed without pulling the axle if speed is kept below 15 miles per hour and the distance is less than 2 miles. Remove the 10 bolts on the wheel cover and pull out the shaft. A dummy cover is available to reduce axle lubricant leakage. If the bus has power, turn it on at the driver's workplace. Then make the electrical connection between the tow truck and the tow receptacle on the front of the bus to operate the vehicle brake lights. If the bus doesn't have power, provide an auxiliary brake light system. Wrap chains around the bar and fork in the tow pocket on both sides of the stinger. Confirm the chains are secure on both sides. Secure tow straps around each side of the stinger to connect to the tow truck chains. Connect the tow truck chains to the tow straps. Double check that the chain length isn't too long while driving. Your bus is ready for towing. The front door can be closed using the rocker switch in the street side access panel. If no air is available, be sure to secure the doors manually. Now let's talk about rear extraction. Rear extraction should only be used in an emergency to pull the bus several feet back onto the road. Manually air the bus using the rear glad hand connection. Open the rear trunk panel to access the loops in the ProDrive. Place the tow strap loops around the orange screw pin anchor shackles. Proterra recommends 1 3/8 inch tow shackles with a 34,000 pound workload limit rating for the best fit in the ProDrive loops. Secure the tow straps to the tow truck. Your bus is now ready for rear extraction. If you have further questions on the warranty-approved towing procedure, please contact Proterra customer service.